farmland.
Hi, Owl.
And now, another flight stick. Fishes, that's right. Just like what Kuya Ran is home. As you can see, Kapitan was indeed no.
Something new, and more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, safe to return. So please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we're given the chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes.
Ano mga chicken, mga chicken? Wala yung tabok yung tabok. Yan.
Of course, it is very important to stress that Macau has a certain know-how for us to be able to properly take care of them. Take red here for example. Red has been donated to our doors 15 years ago.
What's that?
Red is carbon emission. Chirwaki everyone. Now what Chirwaki showed us a while ago is what to do shopping, another one for traveling. The next one is for shopping and kagubatan, and usually yan po ang gusto ng ating mga kalaw. Now I'd like to share with you a unique tinatawag natin silang kalaw. Very good. And here in Baguio, Mindanao endemic bird. Ibig sabihin, dito lamang po sa Mindanao natin makikita. So now if you're visiting from Luzon, from Visayas, or from other country, you are there. And everybody help me welcome Brian, our Philippine Eagle Owl. Now when Brian was flying from the window pane, so can you tell me, ano po yung kinakain ni Kapitan? What is Kapitan eating? Meat. Kapitan is eating a meat.
Ayan, gitu ya. Again, makin. Isog day na, no? Where's the mommy duck walking? Again, point. Where's the duck walking?
Yes, sir.
Ang lagi.
Naman daw si
Ingot, ano yun ko?
ayaw sa kumili na. Magkiliti ako. Wala ka dito para maglamit sa
Kuhaan ko to.